Hello dear traders, you are watching economic news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. During a press conference on Thursday, the World Bank's representatives warned of a global economic slowdown, announcing that they downgraded their growth forecast from 2.9% to 2.5%. The world's GDP growth is slowing inevitably amid the ongoing economic meltdown observed in a number of developed and emerging countries. It must be said, though, that economists and market participants have been voicing their concerns over this alarming tendency for a long time now. China's GDP gauge traditionally serves as an easy test for global economic health. At the same time, the recent Chinese data tends to signal a certain stabilization in the world's second-largest economy. Today, markets managed to predict the accurate numbers of China's crucial macroeconomic indicator, the annual GDP growth rate, which may be regarded as a good sign. Over the first quarter of 2016, the pace of China's economic expansion slowed to 6.7% in line with expectations. However, at present, economists foresee change to the upside, and their upbeat claims appear well grounded in the light of a fresh industrial production report. According to the latest figures, the key sector of the Chinese economy printed an improvement during the first month of spring. The volume of industrial production increased by 6.8% year-over-year, even though analysts had projected a smaller rise to 5.9%. A separate report on the nation's consumption brought another big surprise to economists. China's domestic demand is gathering momentum as the country's retail sales climbed by 10.5% in March on an annual basis. Here again, experts had been rather cautious in their estimates, predicting a more modest gain of 10.4%. The Australian dollar, being highly vulnerable to Chinese economic fundamentals, stayed on a consolidation course versus its US counterpart, hovering around its prior highs. In late Asian deals, the pair was trading near 0.7720 levels. The Aussie is clearly on track to close this week in positive territory. You have watched financial news on InstаФорекс TV channel. See you later.